Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio up here. This time we're demonstrating a unit out of a 1968 Charger. This comes from Hans in Holman, Wisconsin. Hans has requested the FM conversion with Bluetooth and my super cool master input-output box, which has all your preamp outputs and unpowered sub-output and also your aux input jacks right there in a handy location. So we're going to go ahead and start the celebration on an AM to the one strong station I get in my area. Let's go ahead and turn it on. There we go.
Go online to yc.edu/bsb and register.
Okay,
today.
let's make sure the virtual front rear fader works.
Fader adjust.
Okay, we're going to need our meter for that. So now our tone control is adjusting our front to rear fader.
Good morning. It's Monday.
All the way front, all the way rear, front,
Your news and a
rear.
check of the
Okay,
weather
I'm going to
forecast.
center them.
I'm Greg Paul reporting for the
Fader set. Okay, left, right balance. All the way right, all the way left, right, left.
Animal
Okay, I'm
Control
going to
is
center
addressing
that.
rising mountain lion activity.
Okay, let's go ahead and move over to, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into Perry mode. We don't need this stuff anymore. Make sure the Bluetooth goes into Perry mode.
In the area of West.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so we know that's working. Okay, let's go over to FM, which we do by turning the unit off, then right back on within about half a second. So here we go, off, on. Okay, now we're on FM. We'll just run down the dial. I'll be stopping very briefly on stations to avoid copyright issues. Turn our tone control back up.
June 19th. It'll take.
There was not a medical emergency.
Cross getting 48 in we're talking about your mind?
You don't have a player on the
Let's go. DJ on.
Getting some donuts or cupcakes.
So if shorty wanna
In the morning. And if they have
your locally owned favorite home.
Day morning, Russ Edwards.
Okay, so we picked up quite a few FM stations here. Let's go back to AM talk radio. No, I guess we can leave it on here. Let's go ahead and try the 8-track. You want to turn the unit down a little bit before inserting a tape because I got the output of the 8-track set pretty hot. Okay, no cross up between songs. And we're waiting for automatic switch back to track 1, so we'll wait for that. There we go. Now we're on. Make sure our dial lag comes on and off, and you can see it flashing through that opening right there as I press and release the button. So we're ready to go. She's ready to go back to the customer, and I'm ready to get on to the next job. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair, and to reach me for service, please visit the website that's in the description below, and please download and print the work order before calling me with a bunch of questions about my options, prices, and turn times, because that's it's all in the work order, and that way once you've got a work order in your hand, I'm happy to talk to you about anything the work order doesn't answer, or if you just want to talk for a couple minutes to get to know me and trust me and all that. That's perfectly okay. So thanks so much for watching, listening, and thank you, Hans, for your business all the way from Holman, Wisconsin, and we'll see you guys next time.